I have this humidifier that I want to share with you. A cold and warm mist ultrasonic humidifier. So super compact box. Let's take it out. Here is the machine, and there is the manual and the remote. Open this because they get tied at the bottom. It has humidity, mist, timer, child lock, auto, warm, and sleep. So here's the cord. Here's the front of it. So you can see this piece was coming off, but that is the humidifier side of it. So that is where, oh, you can take the whole thing. Okay. Do not open the air channel until the water is completely cool. When adding water, please check if there is a lime scale. The sink must be. Okay, cool. All right, well, let's add some water and I'll show you how it works. All right, so I wanted to show you where the water goes. So the water is down here. Mist comes out of here. It is so quiet. Works great in large rooms. It can help with plants and pets, and it's so friendly for everybody. So we got the humidifier right here. You take off this top. This is the mister side. This is where you pour the water. Just pop it back on. I have the remote here, so I'm gonna turn it on. And then the mist is starting to come out of it. If I want to go to warm, I just switch to warm. If I want to switch to sleep, it will go to sleep. If I want it to go mist, I can do that. There's a child lock, timer, mist, humidity, on, off, warm, auto, and sleep. So there's many different settings with this, but it can be warm or it can be cool. Whatever you need or desire, move these around so you can get a double action. You can probably put some essential oils in there if you wanted to, but I highly recommend this humidifier. I love that it goes cold and it goes warm, but it does the job. It's so affordable and it's so easy to use. Plus it's compact, it's not bulky, and it is a very minimalistic. So I absolutely love it. And the bonus is that it comes with a remote, because at the end of the day, who wants to get up out of bed to turn this off if we don't have to, or to switch things? So love the fact that I can switch it, humidity, mist, warm it up, all the above, right from the comfort of this remote, or turn it off. And there we go. Highly recommend. You should add it to your cart today too.